you are in need of engine diagnostics repair in Willow Springs, Illinois, you have come to the right place. At Performance Auto Repair, we utilize advanced diagnostic tools to accurately assess engine issues, ensuring that we pinpoint problems quickly and efficiently. Our experienced technicians will provide a comprehensive evaluation, checking everything from the fuel system to the ignition components. Whether it's a check engine light or unusual noises, we guarantee a thorough diagnosis to get you back on the road with confidence. Call us today for a repair estimate and let us take care of your engine troubles. If you